Ki paidbah jong ke shnong Maikhuli ka bahap harait Marwet Riboy district. Henin ke singi ka arfu ar trip ulber aja arfu ar. Ki la penlong de ke jing lang paidbah ban penpau ye ke jing Pyrshah halo ke jing shah kynthup no ki katu ke ni ki jaka bat ki shnong jong ke jela Meghalaya shah Assam. Hadin ke jing pen bit put hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Hakati ke jing lang paidbah lawan ru man ke shan lang da katu ke ni teli ki kenhun seng balang nadu ka kop ka muso bat ka MPSO. Hakba ki paidbah hakati ke sngi kila penlong ru da ka jinga ya paidbah shadow bakut jong ke tiga pung kabodon hakati ke shnong kabala tmu ban aitino shak Assam kum kadang ka jing Pyrshah ba ki paidbah kim kwa bat kim island ba ka tei ka pung kan le no sha Assam namar ka dei ka blashna hakati ke shnong da ka jinga rap pisa jong ke sarkar Meghalaya nakaliang jong ki bor panya district jong ka ribohiru henin ke sngi ki lahir shakatei ke jaka ban temmi ki paidbah yomi kanu ka huri hura kabala apat ban kata ya ka shong suk shong sain jong ki paidbah ha ka ba nakaliang jong ki paidbah ke la penlong ye ke jing ye ki bat jing Pyrshah da ka bajai jai habakren ha ka te ke sngi nakaliang katu ka nengut ki riurang ba jong ka shnong Maikhuli ki penpau ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur halo ka jing sha kan thup no jong bon te ligi shnong ha Assam bat khamtam katei ka pung jong ka shnong ka bakat kum ka jing thu jong ki laong ba kati kapung kari ke bahap apa uput usam jong ke jela Meghalaya bat kamdan kanu ke jing kam trai lani ke jing kan an ya kati kapung dak Assam namar bakadeiru kabalaira pisa lang bag sarkar Meghalaya ban penbit penbiang eka nakaliang jong ki paidbah bat nong ilam shnong kila penpauru bakim hun ya katei ke jing penbit pun ka Meghalaya bat Assam bat ke jing mi jong ke jing bom hun bat ke jing huri hura ha ki paidbah kadei na ke jing bakala jong ke sarkar Meghalaya kabala shule thormur klem de ken jok tin lang na ki nong ilam shnong nong ilam hima ki betip shai halor uput usam Shushu na kaliang jong ki paidbah ha ka tegesngi da ka wei ka sur ki la shimru ya ka rai ba knum aila satya ba ka te ka jaka khamtam ka te ka pung kan le shah Assam watla ka long hakanu ka nu ka rukom namar ka de ka pung ba don kam jong ka shnong badru ka balatip shai ba ka de ka jaka jong ka shnong Maikhuli hapo riboy district kila kenturu ya ke sarkar ba ka dei bandalit jurip rengkat kinong elam shnong ba ka te ka pung kamdei banlet shah Assam bat dalele ru lada ka sarkar ka shusngat menti nakaliang jong ki paidbah kin sa shempan da ki wei kilan kilenti.
You can air opinions to the government, okay?
Is agreed to give to the Assam, no, sir. That's why we will try to stop the public also, no?
We never accept the give and take policy because as per Meghalaya government, we have already registered our land and fishery also, everything. So I told. But very surprising, we have seen in the Conrad WhatsApp, na? He have mentioned the fishery will be go to Assam. Why? Their citizenship. No? I'm staying here since from 1982, and I know everything about our Maikhuli village problem. No? We have faced so many difficulty regarding this problem. No? So now it is going to be settled by the both sides of government, Assam government and Meghalaya government. No? Since we know that border committee problem, border committee is adopted inquiry about this border problem. Na? Since we don't know anything, who is the border committee? We never seen, we never faced. So one day at the night, 8 o'clock,
8 o'clock.
we have learned that Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and their colleagues, na, they came to Assam side for administrative staff college. They have one meeting there regarding this border problem. No, so I think Conrad Sangma is there, but Deputy Chief Minister President Jansong, he came here in only night time, 8 o'clock, and we never met him also. But one our fellow from the Maikhuli village, he met, and he asked, "What you come here and what region?" He told that we came to the border problem. Only that thing, only that much he told already. So after visiting this inspection, he had mentioned that we have seen in the YouTube in the Chief Minister WhatsApp. Na? He have declared already our fishery pond is already going to be Assam. Na? So we have shocked and we have already know that fishery pond is already our Maikhuli village. We have already registered and government revenue side also, no, government Meghalaya 1992 also, and second registration at 2008, no, when we was in the High Court case, no. So it is to say that without knowledge from the village side, no, how they have visited the night time, no, it is surprise. So uh, when the press Renington Tonkar he had come before the Gumati, no. So that time also I have already told him also because we have already registered our land, fishery pond and football field and our graveyard also. So I request the Renington Tonkar also, you please listen our demand. We never accept the give and take policy. Sir, please you hear our problem. I told Mr. Renington Tonkar also. So that's my sir. What to do? What to say? The chief minister, how he given our fishery pond and other our land to Assam? No, it is not possible. I have mentioned already before also. We never accept the keep and take policy. So you please take this problem also.
Put kasam to Himalaya, Meghalaya, dan itu semua. Pada kiwan hanya besuk ini beli amat beli ke, mat kus sincap beli ke dan beli amat. Kemudian orang dari ribut ini dari rai. Kinomla wan kalileru kinomla pakai yang cakap cepat, mereka dari rai. Mereka dari rai kebal, kerja bersiap alam try damai paidbah. Kinomla wan ay kalileru sa koy pa kecela ini sa kuno benta ba di ay kinumla kasyong bay aparay tung ba kuno nginle pat kasyong ru ha lima muling ba kasyong ru ha district council warga district council ke de nong kai ya ka khanda psiya nong bi semua de khanda psiya ka hima muling ke de hapo jo district council apa pitpat yu put usam anong ay put usam ay ka hima district council ke de nong kai nong bu nong lung ni ki ro isla pat ka hima
ki sembaran shibtang idon kaching sokia abede but uput usam jong ka government jong ka Meghalaya jungi nakpos ngapor hi ngira yele persang ya abede but uput usam jong ka Meghalaya jungi iba ka sokar kini ki noiram jong ka government adum tang hi bakim pushe jushin kya ere abede but uput usam jong ka Meghalaya jungi nagen jungi mi kintu ya ka sokar nakapor ni yang lek untuk yang sarkar nakapor ni yang lek untuk nak banyak ke sarkar ande lagi untuk ru kam pusere ladang ni banyak ru kam pusere ladang ni perlu ru kam pusere